Direction play that time. That should do it.
The world to cover. 1, 2, 3.
Here are your winners, the Brawling Birds.
All the birds are heading down to the local pub for a few pints to celebrate that victory. You reckon you can keep up with them, Paul?
Absolutely not. Those girls are both English. They can drink me under the table any day of the week.
I'm English, I couldn't. Oh, no. No time for a celebration here.
The World Tag Team Champions, there's their music, and here we go. Watch out from behind! Megan Bayne, Lena Cross, suffered their very first defeat on Wednesday during that six-man matchup, and now they're getting their first blows in before Wembley.
Oh, look at the smile on Lena Cross's face. She loves a bit of violence, as does the Megasus.
Oh, that's a little disturbing. That's pretty vicious.
Such poise, strength,
Confidence, man. They just reek of confidence.
They're not done yet. Wait a second. Oh, they're clearing off the table, the ringside table, the bell's there.
They're gonna pick up!
Oh! Just broke her in half.
Alex Windsor on the table.
Good thing Doc Sampson is right there.
I'll say it again.
Jamie Hayter's gonna go check on her partner, and I don't know how much of an impact that's gonna have in the match coming up on August 3rd.